Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style green peas curry. This tasty green peas recipe can be served along with chapathi, rice, roti or porotta. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of green peas. We have washed and soaked green peas for 8 hours. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 cups of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on high flame and then 4 whistles on medium flame. After 5 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Our chickpeas have cooked well. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Now keep it low flame and add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 3 chopped green chilies, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for 1 minute. Then add 2 chopped onions, half teaspoon salt. Saute it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light golden color. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, tomato has become soft and mushy. Keep it low flame and add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Saute it for 1 minute on low flame. Now in a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut. Add 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/4 cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. Keep aside for later use. Now add previously cooked green peas to it. Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, keep it low flame and add the coconut paste, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Also add half cup of hot water washed with grinder jar. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Switch off the flame when it starts just boiling on low flame. Kerala style green peas curry is ready. This tasty green peas recipe can be served along with chapathi, rice, roti or porotta.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.